Bridges play an essential function in connecting various areas and in facilitating trade and travel. But the price of construction and maintenance of bridges differs dramatically across nations. In this short video, we'll explore bridge construction costs and will focus on price variations in Europe as well as Turkey. 1. Factors affecting bridge construction costs. The price of construction of a bridge is determined by a variety of factors, including the site, the materials used and design, the complexity of construction, expenses, as well as regulatory requirements. In Europe, with strict rules and a high cost of labor prevail and high costs are prevalent, the price of bridge construction is usually higher when compared with Turkey. In addition, the accessibility of construction materials as well as the quality of construction technology will also affect the total price. 2. Bridge maintenance costs. When a bridge has been constructed, the bridge requires maintenance on a regular basis to guarantee its security and long-term durability. The cost of maintenance varies based on the kind of bridge, the condition, and its degree of wear and tear. In Europe, which is a region where bridges have to endure harsh traffic and weather conditions, the maintenance cost tends to be more expensive than in Turkey. Additionally, the grade of the materials used for construction could also affect the cost of maintenance in the long term. 3. Funding and financing. The financing and funding of bridge construction plays a significant part in the final price. In Europe, bridges typically are funded by the combination of budgets from government agencies as well as private partnerships and other financing sources. The result is more expensive costs because of the bureaucratic process, interest payment, as well as additional charges. However, Turkey may rely more on loans and funding from the government or from international institutions. This could result in less overall cost. 4. Economic impact. The maintenance and construction of bridges has a major economic impact on surrounding communities. Bridges enhance connectivity, aid in trade, and increase the economy by cutting down on transportation costs and improving accessibility. In Europe, the region where bridges are typically constructed in areas of large populations, their economic impacts could be significant. In Turkey, the country which is where bridges are built in remote or rural areas, their economic impacts could be less localized. 5. Price differences. The differences in the cost of bridge maintenance and construction between Europe and Turkey could be due to several elements like labor costs and regulatory requirements, the availability of the materials, and financing sources. Although Europe might have more upfront cost, long-term maintenance expenses in Turkey could be more expensive because of lower quality products and practices in construction. It is crucial for decision-makers and other stakeholders to take into account these aspects when preparing and financing bridge projects in order to provide sustainable and cost-effective solution. Conclusion. Understanding the cost differences for bridge maintenance and construction between Europe as well as Turkey is essential for decision-makers as well as engineers and other stakeholders who are involved in the development of infrastructure. When considering all the factors that affect the cost of construction, it's possible to build cost-effective, viable bridge projects that will benefit society and the economy as in general.